Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS LTD Deals. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell icon so that you never miss any of our exclusive uploads. I'm back with another lifetime deal review, and today I'm going to review DrawKit. So DrawKit is a library of beautiful hand-drawn 2D, 3D illustrations, icons and also animations. And these are some of the materials that we often need for our website, for making YouTube videos, or for other different purposes. But the problem is it is quite hard to find proper illustrations or icons or animations. And when you finally found a library where you can get these illustrations, they are super expensive. So if you want to avoid that, you can simply buy DrawKit, which is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. And this is worth around $300, keep in mind, but at AppSumo you are getting 87% off, so the price is only $39. So you are going to pay this one single time and DrawKit is going to be yours forever. And I'm going to show you the full library of all the icons, illustrations and animations of DrawKit. Just wait a bit for that. So if you want to buy this lifetime deal of DrawKit from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. On AppSumo, there is only one plan offered by DrawKit, which is this Pro plan. It is going to cost you $39 and you are going to get unlimited access to all the assets that are currently available on DrawKit. You will also get the favorite item feature where you can add icons, illustrations, specific materials to your favorite list. You will also get early access to new content. So this is a great feature, which means DrawKit is also going to add various different illustrations, icons and animations in future. And fortunately, you are going to get access to all of them if you buy this Pro plan from AppSumo. So currently we are in the DrawKit's website, and on here you can see some of their illustrations, such as this is 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗀𝗃, economical, landscape, and there are various collections. And if I want to access all of the collections, I have to click on these illustrations. Now, as you can see, if you click on this all, you are going to get access to all of the icons, illustrations, whatever there is on DrawKit. And if you want the 2D ones, you can get this on this category. You also have the 3D icons or animations, illustrations. You are also going to get the icons, and here is the animation category. And the great news is there are even mockups. And here are some of the popular categories such as environment, startups, digital marketing, working, education, health. So now let's check this 2D category. So on this 2D category, as you can see, there are hand-drawn curated vector 2D illustrations. So this is laboratorium, education, real estate, government, economy, family. So there are almost any types of category that you need. For example, I need illustrations for AI. I am making a video on AI, so I need some illustrations on that. So let's search on this. Let's type AI and click on search. So DrawKit has came up with two search results. One is AI and machine learning illustrations and the other is AI and futurism illustrations, and both are 2D. Keep that in mind, and you can also make it favorite if you want. So let's check this first one. When you open a certain illustration title, you're going to see all of them in one place. So as you can see on this title, there are various illustrations. So there is even SEO mentioned, there is this AI TXT. So all of them are related to AI and machine learning. Now let's also check out this AI and futurism illustrations. So here are all of the illustrations that you are going to get on this title. So I think the illustrations are really good, especially if you look at this one. These are really good illustrations, I have to say that. And I'm noticing that the amount of illustrations titles you get is really massive. As you can see, if you click on view more, it just keep coming and coming. There is no end to it, I think. There is almost everything that you need, such as social work, online shopping, animal pets, even NFT. So there are a lot of illustrations. Now the question is, if you want to use any of these illustrations for your own purpose, how can you do that? For that, you have to first open one. For example, I want to use this one, Chubb's character illustrations. So after opening, all I have to do is click on this download now. As you can see, you can also see the total size, and you can also see the DrawKit license. So I always recommend that you read this DrawKit license, because here you can see what is allowed with these illustrations and what is not allowed. So if you want to use these illustrations for commercial purpose, you should read this license. So back to this Chubb's character illustration. Now you can see the total size. You can also see all of the materials on this title. Now let's click on download now because I want to use this. So now it has been downloaded. So as you can see, the file has been downloaded as a zip file. So if I open this zip file, as you can see, there are two folders. One is Mac OS X. So if you want to use these illustrations for Mac OS, you have to go to this and then you can use the illustrations by accessing these folders. And here are all the illustrations. So you can get them on PNG file. So as you can see, these are appearing all as PNG file. You can also get them on SVG format. Let's open this. As you can see, these are all the SVG files. So if I open a PNG file, I can show you how it looks. And I have to say the illustration is very high quality. Let's open another one. So as you can see, these are all of the illustrations and they are really high definition in quality. Now let's check out some other illustrations. Let's go to these 3D options. So here are all the 3D illustrations and once again they look amazing. Let's open this 3D food and nutrition. So these are all the 3D foods, and if you take a closer look, I don't know if you can see that they are really good quality, I have to say that. And even in 3D there are various illustrations. The list once again goes on and on. You can even get 3D social media icons. Let's open this one. And as you can see, almost every popular social media are available here, such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Line, Messenger, and all that. You can get the front view icons. You can also get the side view icons. And then there are some other illustrations such as the icons. So here are all the icons pack. There are various icons pack as you can see. And then there are also animations. So these are the titles you are going to get on this animation section. And then there is the mockups. So for mockups, there are only one mockups. So here is the mockups. And other than illustrations, DrawKit also offers plugins. So here are two plugins. One is the Figma plugin, 3D Builder, and the other one is the Playful Avatar Creator. And if you're interested in subscription plans, here are the subscription plans of DrawKit. So overall, I think DrawKit is an excellent tool that offers a very massive list of illustrations, icons, animations in various categories such as 2D, 3D, icons, mockups, and even animations. And I have to say I really like their collection, especially the 2D collection, because it is simply huge. So if you want to buy this DrawKit tool on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. There is only Pro plan available on AppSumo. For DrawKit, it is going to cost you $39 and it is definitely worth your money if you have use case for this tool. And these are the features that you are going to get with this tool. So that's it for this video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. Let me know what you think about DrawKit. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.